What's going on, guys? I know I stepped away for a little while and I said that I was gonna make a bunch of videos about my truck. Just go through everything that was gonna get done to it. A lot of things happened, a lot of things changed, so a lot of it didn't get videoed. I did get my wheels and tires. I did get, all the other little miscellaneous stuff. I never made a video about putting any of it on because it never really just happened all at once. It was kind of a little bit here, a little bit there, kind of all over the place. This is a couple weeks later since the first video that I made about the truck. I just want to go and go through everything that I did and what's changed and what's still soon to come. So let's jump right into this.
You're the girl that he says he's always wanted. He must mystery the things that he loves. Yeah, you don't deserve another minute of this bullshit story. Yeah, I feel like I'm lost. In my head, yet again, driving down, slamming, I'm so drunk. Have you ever thought of swerving off the motherfucking sidewalk? All of these bitches feel the same on the inside. Living like I'm holding you out of my mind. Don't deserve another chance, honestly. I'm better off alone with all my white lines and commas. Drinking holy water in the bombers. Living lavish, numb the horror of being alone, my darling. Feel like you've been alone for so long, and you're trying real hard, yet he just won't love.
So as you can see, the new wheels and tires are on. The track bars are on. There's some exhaust changes. It's tuned now. And we got the cold air intake on. I cheaped out on the cold air intake. It's just a rough country cold air. I got the SCT tuner. I'm in the process of getting my custom tune as we speak. It's the BDX. Took no time. Went right to the truck pretty quickly. Worked out really well. Was able to make, out of the box changes right away. Get rid of the speed limiter, get rid of the DOD in these motors, adjust the speedometer for the wheels, that sort of stuff. I went with the Akron Lincolns. They're a 22, 12.5, negative 51 offset. They're wrapped in the Turo trail blades in a 33, 12.5, 22. I got the balancing beads in them. They're not bad. I really enjoy them. They fit really well. They rub like a motherfucker. Just in the front, obviously. I'll show you guys that in just a moment. But it looks good. It fits really well on my truck, and it fits exactly what I was trying to do here. So as I was saying, the Lincolns, they're really dirty right now. I'm about to wash the truck here in just a minute. But as I was saying, it rubs a lot to the point to where it ripped the little plastic, pieces that were part of the mud flaps. I had to cut the mud flaps originally, and then it ripped these little plastic things off. But let's see if I can. Yeah, you guys can tell that it rubs tremendously. So my buddy and I came in here and we cut all of this back on both sides. You can definitely tell a little bit better on this side that it rubs. But as you can see, it's all been cut back, hit with bed liner, good to go. Really dirty again, like I said. I'm about to wash the truck in just a minute. We got the rough country track bars on, and just a bunch of other little miscellaneous stuff. Wrapped my badge. I haven't finished that one yet. Tinted the mirrors. The mirrors are getting changed soon. Those are going to change completely. Wrapped the Z71. Wrapped the front badge. The windshield's 35%. All the side windows are 2%. That's all about to change. It's getting there. One step at a time. It's definitely getting there. 2 hours later, it's all nice and clean. Ceramic coated the wheels, ceramic coated the whole truck, washed it, cleaned the interior. I really didn't do like 100%. Did like 70%. But it turned out good. Big shout out to Custom Offsets for their wheels, their tires, their quick getting everything shipped, track bars, hooking me up, making my truck look real good. Interior is nice and clean now too. Boom, boom. So I ordered everything from Custom Offsets. I got my wheels, my tires, everything that I already explained came from Custom Offsets. I do want to talk about something though. They should really explain the fact that when you order suspension components, that they're not in stock. They should put in where you order your suspension that there's X amount of time for build time and then X amount of time for shipping time. Because trying to get an answer on that is really difficult. And I'm not saying that it's shitty, or I'm not saying that they're a bad company, because they're fucking awesome. I mean, they are top to bottom the best for any truck, SUV, off-road, flashy look. They're anything you want, anything you could think of for an SUV, a truck, a Jeep, they got it. They have it all. You can get it through them, and it's the best place to go because you can go to one place to get everything. But when you order, suspension and like suspension components, and you're just like, okay, where is it? And you're trying to get a hold of them, and you can't get an answer, or nobody has an answer. It's a little concerning. So the only thing that I'm still waiting on, or only things that I'm still waiting on, are the Kryptonite upper and lower control arms, the Fox shocks for the front and the rear, and the leveling blocks for the rear, because I went with the plus 4-inch for the front end, just to get a little bit more. It's got leveling blocks in it right now that raised at 3 inches, so I'm only going to get an extra inch in the front, but I want to try to level the rear. So other than that, big shout out to Custom Offsets. You guys kick ass. You guys are an awesome company. You really make people's dreams come true, and there will be more to come soon. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. I'm sorry that it's been all over the place. Like I said, a lot of things happened that weren't expected. So there will be more to come soon when my suspension gets here. I'm going to try to make a video of tearing everything apart, installing it all. That was my original plan for the wheels, the track bars, everything else. it just didn't pan out that way. But all the suspension stuff, that's going to be a whole video in itself, and I'll make sure that I get that done as soon as I get the suspension in, and there will be more fun stuff to come. Some rowdy moments of my truck, and just little bits and pieces of my truck and the build. Also, if you guys are anywhere near like Central New York, go and follow LJ Tinting and Detailing on Facebook, or look it up online for all your tinting and detailing needs. And if you guys know of any shops here in local Central New York, make sure to leave it in the comments. The sooner we get a shop, the sooner that we'll be busting away on our company. So thanks, guys. I appreciate you, and I'll be looking forward to seeing your comments and putting out some more content for you.